My name is John Manganello. I'm a managing partner at Accelerate Partners. Well, we're fortunate as technology advisors here at Accelerate to be working with our clients on their day-to-day operating model as they look to drive ROI from their technology investments and people and partners. As AI stormed onto the scene, we got ahead of this knowing our clients we were going to be the first phone call to help advise them on AI enablement and the considerations such as security, governance, and adoption. We see in the marketplace now is 2026 clearly has been the year people have gotten off the sidelines and realized that they don't participate in enabling generative AI platforms for their employees, they fall behind. The challenge with that is with our resources here are really educating the C-suite, board level, and even IT executives of what real ROI is from generative AI tools. They have to realize that these tools have some security and governance concerns and weigh those risks versus not working with best-in-class practices that enable them. Executives certainly realize, talking with their peer group, that this is a force multiplier, generational technology that needs to be thoughtfully considered and adopted. That's where the rubber hits the road. How do you drive ROI from this? And it starts with adoption, that the employees are using it and making them more productive. And in parallel, it's one thing to just use chats and prompts to summarize documents, read emails, write emails, and those things are great. But what we're seeing now is a whole new wave of citizen developers utilizing these tools and building agents and really starting to drive more value, more ROI. We're partnering with IT executives and C-suites how to track this ROI. But on the outset of this, the high-class problems, these tools cost money. These agents cost money to run, tokens cost money. So I think this will be the year that people are going to come to Accelerate and ask to take a fresh look at their operational costs. If you're using these tools, we're getting back to basics. What good cyber hygiene looks like, what an infrastructure looks like, and enterprise data management is back at a force multiplier, and data governance is back. It's creating mountains of data. So we're helping our clients how to have a strategy to work through that, to evaluate the data, because these tools are only good as the data it works on. It's still understanding the marketplace, what are large language models, and what agentic and autonomous agents can do. What we're finding is people are now putting AI committees of different shapes and sizes, that this is a board level conversation to get everyone in the room. So it's really about to have a plan and a strategy that can ensure they're secure and they're compliant. One piece of advice is to consider this a game changer for your business. It levels the playing field for larger corporate enterprise versus newer entities. I feel they should think of this as a historic moment to take advantage of these tools. They just have to be thoughtful of how they work and bring in the right expertise and do it the right way.